Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to use proportional editing in other mesh operations. Let's begin! Let's start! First, I'll explain how to do proportional editing. First, prepare a plane and subdivide it with a number of cuts that is 20. Switch to Face Select. Select the Move tool. Select the face in the center of the plane. Move the selected face along with the Z-axis. Normally, the object will change like this. Click the Proportional Edit button at the top of the 3D view to turn it on. If you move the face again in the Z-axis direction, the surrounding faces will follow, and you can transform the object in this way. You can transform the object by resizing the proportion size from the advanced settings. You can also transform the object by changing the proportional fall-off to random. You can transform the object in this way by changing the proportional fall-off to sharp. You can transform the object in this way by changing the proportional fall-off to sphere. Next, try transforming the object by bending it. Select all the objects and press 1 on the numpad to change the viewpoint to the front to make it easier to operate. Open the sidebar and move the 3D cursor position by changing the Z-axis to -1. When bending, the position of the 3D cursor is the reference. You can also bend the object by clicking the Mesh button and then clicking Transform and then Bend. If you bend by pressing Shift plus W on the keyboard, it'll be easier to do this. By moving the mouse, you can transform the object with reference to the 3D cursor in this way. Next, try transforming the object by spinning. With the object selected, select the Spin tool on the toolbar. You can transform an object like this by dragging the plus mark to rotate the object. Next, I'll explain spin settings. First, create a circular object like this, and use F on the keyboard to create a face. Because the spin rotates according to the 3D cursor, open the sidebar, set the Y-axis value to -4 to move out the 3D cursor from the center. You can transform the object in this way by rotating it with the spin tool. If you open the spin settings, set the X value of the axis to 1 and the Z value to 0. The object will be deformed like this. You can transform the object like this by changing the value of the step. You can transform the object like this by checking Use Duplicates. You can transform the object in this way by changing the angle. You can transform the object in this way by changing the value of the center. You can transform the object in this way by changing the values of the axes. This is the end of the lesson on how to use proportional editing in other mesh operations. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.